The man who was wearing a t-shirt had got up shouting that on no account should the president-elect Bola Tinubu be sworn in as Nigerian leader. His strange behavior had attracted the attention of other passengers who waited for flight crew to act fast before something untoward occurred. The flight attendant had called in some security personnel who then forcibly removed the man from the plane. As he struggled with the security men, he kept on shouting that obedients were looking at him as he was being roughed. "Obedients, you are looking." He kept shouting before he was removed. He was heard saying he has a doctorate degree in law, to which some of the passengers advised him to go to court over the outcome of the election, which he disagreed with.
Say go, guys.
Madam, you guys have to leave that place.
Jesus. You have to move, you have to move. I'm afraid of my glasses. Oh, this man should not hit me.
What I am naked.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Please, we don't want that. How far?
Give way.
One person can hold us advancing.
Yeah. You want to keep this plane down?
I am.
You embarrassed himself.
Give way.
Madam, shift.
Hold this up. Hold it. Obedience, I am naked. How far? Give way. One person can hold us advancing.
You want to keep this plane down?
I am.
You embarrassed himself.
Give way.
Madam, shift.
Hold this up. Obedience, I am naked.